Breast cancer. 1 in 8 American women will receive this devastating diagnosis. After learning she has breast cancer, a woman experiences a whirlwind of doctor appointments, tests, and treatments.
When I was first diagnosed, I was shocked, and I was scared, very scared. And then when I started going to all my doctor's appointments and doing research, most of it online, I became overwhelmed, completely overwhelmed.
Studies have shown that emotional wellness is just as important as physical health. But what doctors often don't have time to treat is the emotional turmoil that accompanies a cancer diagnosis. Even while their family and friends rally around them, women with breast cancer may feel that no one truly understands what they are experiencing.
Not knowing anyone who had actually been there, or been through this process, especially at a younger age, since I was diagnosed at 37, that made it difficult.
Breast Cancer Connections is a nonprofit organization that provides free informational and emotional support. Experts say that women with breast cancer can be empowered by better understanding their disease and by connecting with other patients and survivors for emotional support.
It is important that women with newly diagnosed breast cancer understand the nature of their disease so that they can participate in the decision-making about treatment options and also actively participate in their actual treatment. It's unusual that a physician would have the time to fully educate a woman, and in addition, the impact of a new diagnosis has such an emotional overlay in women that it's difficult for them to absorb information within their physician's office. It's therefore important that they have a comfortable, reliable, readily accessible source of information about breast cancer, and Breast Cancer Connections is such a place.
For many, meeting other women with breast cancer helps them cope with their diagnosis and the treatment process.
Today, I'm feeling pretty good. My latest scans are clear. I'm in the best shape I've been, I think, roughly. Getting a diagnosis like breast cancer, many people go change their diets, change their exercise habits. I sure did. So I'm doing good.
Breast Cancer Connections supports everyone touched by breast cancer, including patients, caregivers, and family members. Located in the San Francisco Bay Area, BCC is a one-stop resource for breast cancer and related breast health issues, including a support helpline staffed by volunteers, one-on-one and group counseling, and a research team that provides individualized information for patients to help them understand their diagnosis and make decisions about their care. These services are provided under one roof and at no cost thanks to the generosity of donors like you.
The mission of Breast Cancer Connections is to support people touched by breast cancer by providing comprehensive, personalized support in an atmosphere of warmth and compassion.
At the heart of Breast Cancer Connections is the Early Detection Program. BCC provides free screening and diagnostic services to at-risk women and men. These screenings are literally lifesavers to people who don't have health insurance and regular access to preventative medical care.
The early detection of breast cancer improves overall survival, especially in older women whose cancers are diagnosed with screening mammography. Early diagnosis also allows more surgical options of treatment, including surgical treatment that often can retain or keep the woman's breast. Early detection also often lessens or eliminates the need for the use of chemotherapy or radiation treatments as well. So at-risk women without the resources of BCC would often have a delay in diagnosis of their breast cancer. This would decrease rates of cure and would often result in the need for more extensive surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation.
BCC depends on volunteers and donations from corporations, foundations, and individuals to continue providing these vital services. Recognized as a 4-star charity by Charity Navigator, BCC is proud to report that 82% of contributions go directly to programs and services. When Jill Friedenrich and Dr. Ellen Mahoney first founded Breast Cancer Connections 20 years ago, they believed there would be a cure by now. Today, there's still a need for BCC, and this organization will keep working to get people with breast cancer the information and support they need.
People should support BCC because of the unique, personalized services that we provide, all under one roof and free of charge.
We should support BCC because it simply is a great organization. It's an organization that eases the women's journey through their breast cancer diagnosis, treatment, and survivorship. It assists their families in the same process, and it certainly, from a physician's perspective, eases our ability to treat women effectively in the clinic.
Support Breast Cancer Connections, your community resource for information and support. Visit us online at www.bcconnections.org. Call our toll-free number for support, 888-222-4401.